Now our next program is to take input of character, integer and float values from user. Till now we were hard coding our program, like we were directly assigning the value of variables like int n equals to 10, 25, like that. Now here we will ask user to enter the value of integer, character and float variables. For that, we will declare a variable int I comma j. We are taking two integer variable, character variable char c equals, no, we are not assigning value here, then float k and n. Now printer, enter a character, scanf, percentage c for character, comma ampersand c. This is the variable character we have taken about. Now what is this ampersand? It gives the address of memory location where the value of your variable is stored. It is giving the address of memory location where the value of your variable is stored. Next we will take integer input, printer, scanf, percentage d for first integer variable and percentage d for second integer variable, as we are taking two integer values as input, so 2 percentage d, comma ampersand I is our first integer variable, comma ampersand j is our second integer variable. Similarly we will take input of float variables, enter two float values, and here instead of percentage d we will write percentage f, another percentage f, here I, k, and this will be n. Now we have to print all the values, printer, value of c equals to percentage c, and our variable is c, printer, the value of I equals to percentage d and j equals to percentage d, double quotes close, comma I, comma j. It will print the value of integer variables. Similarly we will copy it for float. Float variable are k, and format specifier for float is f, and again this is l, and format specifier is f, percentage f, k, variable name, and n. return type is return 0, returning nothing. Save the program. Now build it. Not showing any error. Run. Enter a character. I'm giving A. Enter two integer values. I'm giving 4. Other integer value is 9. Enter two float values. I'm giving 4.9 and another float value is 7.9. Now it has printed the value of C is A, the value of 4 is equals value of I is equals to 4 and J equals to 9. The value of K is 4.9 0000 and L equals to 7.9 00000.